There, Guitar Club students. I just want to leave you with another little video to make sure you know exactly what to practice. I also sent it home with you on the lesson 4 handout. There's two new chords that we learned. So first of all, we learned the A chord, which is just like this. So you take your first finger and you put it on the 2nd fret G string. You take your second finger and you put it on the 2nd fret D string, and you take your third finger and you put it on the 2nd fret B string. So all your fingers are scrunched there on the 2nd fret. Some people hold it like this. I like to hold it like this. And so you don't play the low E in this chord. It's just the A string and up. Okay? That's how it sounds. And then we also learned the E chord, and you take your first finger and put it on the 1st fret G string. You take your second finger and you put it on the 2nd fret A string, and your third finger and you put it on the 2nd fret D string, okay? And it sounds like this. And you play every single string in this chord. Okay, so those are the two new chords that we learned. You can back this video up if you want to see me explain where your fingers go on those chords again. It's also there for you. There's tab on the handout that I gave you for lesson 4. Also on lesson 4, I went over a 5-part practice routine that I want you to start doing. And it's a 30-minute practice routine. But if you ever don't have enough time, you can just do each thing for a shorter amount of time. 30 minutes is the best though. So it tells you how long to do each thing too. So the first thing is to go over all the notes from the string being played open all the way to the 12th fret on the E string and the A string. So basically I want you to go like this. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. And then I want you to do that on the A string too. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Okay? And that's important because later on, when you learn bar chords, in order to know what the root is of the bar chord that you're playing, you have to know what the notes are on those two strings, on the E string, on the low E string, and the A string. The next one is I want you to make sure you have memorized what the names of each string is when it's played open. So that's E, A, D, G, B, E. E, A, D, G, B, E, okay? So just go ahead and practice that for 1 minute, going E, A, D, G, B, E. The next thing I want you to practice is practice all the chords we've learned so far, trying to get a good sound out of every string, and practice switching from chord to chord quickly. So practice doing the G and hitting every string and making sure you can get a good ringing sound out of every string, then switch to the C as quick as you can. And see if you can get a good sound out of every string. Then switch to the D. And see if you can get a good ringing sound out of every string. And then same thing with the two new chords we learned, the A and the E. Okay? So that's the third thing down on the list. Do that for 10 minutes. Practice the chords switching. Then for 10 minutes, practice the strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, up, and practice switching chords while strumming. So the vast majority of the practice session, 20 minutes, is the chords and the strumming pattern, and practicing the chords while strumming, like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so practice going through all the different chords while doing the strumming pattern. And then the last thing on the list is practice what we've learned so far of the major scale. Now remember, the major scale goes like this. But we've only learned the first 5 notes of that. And that's what I want you to practice for 7 minutes. Just just doing this. Now, if you get it down perfectly, use the tab I sent you home with to learn the next few notes. But make sure you have this down. Okay? I want you to have those 5 notes down of the major scale. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, and that's it. That's your whole practice session. So again, the new things for that we learned today: the A and the E, and I went over that practice routine with you that I want you to do every day. Okay. I hope you enjoyed your guitar lesson. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I will catch you next time. Signing off.